I'm Denise Irvin, Detroit Program Manager for 826 Michigan. I'm also a poet and writer of fiction and creative nonfiction. I'm making this video for 826 National's Write With series, and I'm so excited to share with you one of my favorite writing activities. What do feelings sound like? Here's a ginormous word to get us started. Onomatopoeia. It means a word that sounds like a sound, like bang, splash, ding dong, bring, bring, crash, slurp, or pow. I want you to take a couple of seconds and think of 4 more sound words, just 4 more. I'm going to write a few of my own while you do that. Okay, got it? All right. So first on my list, if you happen to be a wrestling fan, you will recognize the signature sound of Nature Boy Ric Flair. Woo! So much fun to say that, right? Or maybe you're a roller coaster fan. You know how you get to the top of that first big hill and everybody puts their hands up? What sound do you make going down? Whee! Absolutely. Or maybe you're an animal fan, and maybe you've been to a petting zoo or a farm lately. What sound do cows make? Moo. Or pigs. Oink. Absolutely. All of those are great fun to say, right? Okay. I'm going to ask you now to write a poem that shows how each feeling sounds. Now, you can make up your own sounds, or you can use any of the ones we've already talked about, even the ones that we just came up with, okay? Let me give you an example using mine. When I'm happy, I sound like yay. Anger makes me go boo and hiss. A silly me will make a sound like bah, bah. Sad me goes womp womp. If I'm feeling excited, I'll go woo. And when I'm nervous, you might hear chattering. See? There are so many great sounding words you can use to express yourself. And if I gave you even more feelings, like being sleepy or hungry, I bet you could come up with even more. Thank you so much for writing with me today. If you'd like to find the full version of this spark and even more writing inspiration, head to 826 Digital for hundreds of free writing activities from 826.